let it run, bro. Hold your brake. Oh my God. Yo, this nigga. Outside. I wanted to go on a cruise, but I got too much shit to edit, bro. Outside. When you gonna start vlogging, nigga? When you gonna start vlogging, bro? I can put it at the door. Thank you. We calling everybody on the list.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, you wanna see this shit
Oh
recording?
shit, chat. Fuck you talking about, chat? Yo, chat. I need advice. So like,
This nigga wanna switch his shit for a 340 right now.
like so. This is the plan. Big turbo or Golf R? Y'all let me know, because I can't make my fucking mind up. I can't fucking make
You said
my
big turbo or Golf R?
Yeah.
B58.
Man,
Downpipe tune.
They gonna slap the shit out of me with that insurance, bro. I already tried, bro. Them niggas talking about 1100, bro. They fried. I'm about to ride around with no insurance.
Shout out to the mailman.
Yeah, shout out to the mailman, man. Let's see a burnout.
Downpipe tune. B58.
He in my head, bro.
What do you mean by that?
He in my head. He trying to make me draw, man. Trying to make me draw. I don't know. I'll let y'all decide on what I should do. And y'all get back with him and he'll let me know. So, make a W choice.
B58. That shit sounds sweet. So we about to go on a cruise right now, chat. Feel what I'm saying? That boy Ryan got me out the crib. Say he wanna go on a cruise, man. That shit sound crazy right now. Yeah. This is these downshifts, man. Shit sound crazy. So we about to pull up to Main Street right now. Feel what I'm saying? Let me switch up the ambience. I'm gonna put it on red for the day. You know what I'm saying? Wait, what were you saying, twin?
Let me see a pool at this light once you turn.
You said you want to see a pool?
Yeah.
You said you want to see a pool? I don't want everything go flying now. I go mad slow. You might as well go, bro. Nobody behind you. But me.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Pause. That boy ride on bumper, chat. Oh my God. There's too much wind right now. Jesus Christ. Them little kids supposed to be in school. What the hell they do? Nah, word, bro. Gotta get that catless downpipe. Nigga say you a bitch.
Yo, they looking at your will.
What, the kids?
Yeah.
And they supposed to be in school, bro.
Yeah, they getting out right now.
Oh, it's 2 o'clock. What the fuck? Yeah, that shit sounds smooth. Oh my god. Yo, I got the walkie flying and shit. What the fuck? Yo, he looking around. He like, what the fuck is that? Hey man, if y'all boys new to the channel, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Y'all got me sleeping on the line and shit. Why y'all ain't tell me to light green, bro? Got that boy Rye over here, chat. I hear that little intake, nigga. Oh my god. You remember where the parking garage at, right? Or if you knew a calmless spot, we don't even gotta go to the parking garage, bro. For real, for real. I ain't even trying to go up that parking garage, bro. For real, for real. That shit a hike, bro. I can't even let it loose, chat. Traffic crazy right now. Who just screamed like that? Can't even let it loose in this traffic, nigga.
Nah, we're gonna have to like fall back a little bit.
Yo, you see this nigga?
Yeah, he wildin'. I'm about to get over next to you. Hold on, let this car go by. Right.
You got lost, nigga?
Word.
If you want to get over this, say that, my boy.
Need to drive, dog.
We need to get over one, my boy. Yo, let me over when this shit come up.
I got you.
For real, we could cut through this damn parking garage right here to the left at Dunkin'. You wanna do that?
Yeah.
Nah, go straight, go straight, go straight. Hey gang, bust a left up here.
Motherfucker clapping.
You want bumper, nigga?
Bumba God.
God damn. Yeah, push out, just do it, bro. Just do it. Look. Nigga, if we get lost, we exploring, nigga. Fuck it.
I mean, right, go shit.
I just peeped that shit too. Jesus. Oh, I know where we at. Around it, bro. That was too risky. I couldn't go around it too. Damn. This shit sound crazy as hell, chat. Hey man, if that boy's enjoying the vlog, man, drop that like, comment, subscribe. We're on the road to 10K right now, man. Yo. The camera might show that I'm close, but I'm really not. I'm actually mad far from the school bus. You just gotta know your car, man. Just let it run, bro. Hold your brake. Oh my God. Yo, I need a fucking alignment. Look at this shit. This shit literally taking my shit right now. Intake. finally get to take that shit off my head, bro. Pause. I def gotta get some vids, bro. I popped out like I'm not even about to get no more vids, bro, but I'm about to get some. Fuck it. New lip coming soon, chat. Just wait for it. And no tints. Side profile. Oh my God. Madness. Bro, it's hot as hell out this bitch, bro. Wait till next week, bro. This shit gonna look clean. Just watch. Just watch. Wait till next week, bro. Nigga was busting buns out here, boy. Nigga need some pops and bangs. He a BMW boy. But I need that lip, man. I love this lip, but this shit gotta go. I'm telling you.
B58 or EA triple E?
Good RK. Good B58. Let me show y'all the downpipe. I don't know if y'all can see that downpipe in there.
B58 with a capital B or EA triple E? Nah, what is RK tunes into?
Chat. Drop that like, comment, subscribe, nigga. We finna end this vlog right here. What you gotta say to the people, bro? We out.
I would say to the people, yo, respect everybody or don't get respected.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we finna end this shit right here, chat.
Nah, word.
Next time we see this boy, he gonna have an intake.
Yeah, word.
What the fuck?
That gotta be a dude.
Yeah, we gotta end on that note. Wow.